Welcome back. To start the setup process, we're first going to go to this link that says Settings. It's going to open up the Business Settings section. And what we're first going to do is we're going to work with these business settings. And you'll start with your account information, where you'll write in your account name, your statement descriptor, which is what people will see when they get a charge from you. And then you'll want to make sure that your contact information is properly reflected. You'll then need to submit all of your taxing information, including your entity, your legal name, and then your tax identification number, and update this information for your profile. You'll then update your branding. And by going to this link, what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to add in your icon and/or logo, as well as to change your accent color. And once you have the design elements for your email receipts, your hosted invoices, and checkout the way you want them, you can then click Save. And you've now completed your business settings. Now in the next video, we will complete the payments and payout settings within the business settings section for Stripe. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.